Chahi Khuding ki Pangthokpa 2026 ke Oinasu Leplasi Khongpham Chetna Khunaiasigee Damak Haiba team da KIMACS state level inter school manipuri dance competition Pangthoklagani HAIRI KIMACS ki maike degi thadorakpa cherol amada haukiba kumjali singani ka kunmari degi hauduna mahailoi sangsinda akhanaba meeting thamduna chatharakiba KIMACS state level inter school manipuri dance competition chatliba chahi 2026 asigisu lakliba September 3 tagi hauraga tangkak ahum lak thokna pangthokani dance competition asi manipuri patriotic isaida base tawhanlaga sahanba makhalgi jagoi competition amani haidiba thoram asi 13 September ira bodega mari lenana pangthokpa competition amani hairi competition asigi registration form lakliba August ki tarik ama asidagi thaba hauragani amani form thajallakpagina August ki tarik 15 dani hairi competition asigi form sing asi KIMACS head office amadi desam head office tagi so fangani hairi
KIMACS state level inter school manipuri dance competition chaliba chahi asigisu ahum suba edition oina lakliba September ki tarik 3 tagi horaga September ki 13 irabo dinmit fawba pangthok charagani hairu competition asigi form lakliba August ki tarik amadagi thaba hojragani loinana hairu competition asigi registration gi aroiba matang tarik 15 August fawba hojragani hairu competition asigi KIMACS na sathajaliba ki pandamdi hogolakliba amadi tungi miro singda aikoi culture amadi aikoi tradition bu masak munna khangba loinana asigumlaba jagoi saigi through dagi ilai pa iramdam nungsiba amadi horakliba miro singna aikoi culture aduga aikoi inaku mayek sengna khangduna maring marangba adugumba khunai amadagi khara dawarabasu kanba ngamgani loinana haukraba aikoi manipur ki puari amadi lakadaba manipur ki khongchatna adugumlaba mairoi singna mamutana amadi hogolliba miro singna khangba taragadi afaba achumba chokhatpa khunai ama oiba ngamgani haibagi pandamda KIMACS na asigumlaba competition asi pangthokcharu